Hello everyone and welcome back to Quick English. My name is Nick.
And I am Kat. We are thrilled to have you here again. Thank you for being part of our learning journey. On Quick English, we speak in very simple English with easy words only. We talk slowly and clearly so you can follow every word and improve your English naturally.
Today, we have another fresh topic. We will talk about pets, plants, hobbies, and community. This long conversation will be fun and educational. Let's begin.
First, pets. Many people have pets at home. Nick, do you have a pet?
I have a small dog named Max. He is very playful and loyal. I feed him, take him for walks, and play with him. Pets teach us responsibility and give unconditional love.
I have a cat named Lily. She is quiet and soft. I give her food and clean her place. Pets become part of the family. They make us happy when we feel sad.
Common pets are dogs, cats, birds, fish, rabbits, and hamsters. Each pet needs care, food, water, and attention. Taking care of pets teaches kindness to animals.
Now, plants. Plants make our world green and beautiful.
I have small plants in my room. I water them every morning. They grow new leaves and make the air fresh. Seeing plants grow is very satisfying.
My family has a small garden with flowers and vegetables. We plant seeds, water them, and watch them grow. Plants need sunlight, water, and good soil. Gardening is relaxing.
Plants help the environment. They give us oxygen and food. We should plant more trees to keep the planet healthy.
Next, hobbies. Hobbies are activities we enjoy in free time.
My hobbies are playing football, collecting stamps, and listening to music. Football keeps me active. Collecting stamps teaches me about different countries. Music relaxes me.
I enjoy drawing pictures, dancing, and baking cookies. Drawing helps me express feelings. Dancing is fun and good exercise. Baking lets me share sweets with friends.
Hobbies make life more enjoyable. They help us learn new skills and meet people with same interests. Even simple hobbies like reading or walking are valuable.
Now, community. Community means people living together in a place.
In my community, we have neighbors who help each other. We celebrate festivals together. We clean our streets on weekends. A strong community feels safe and supportive.
Communities have schools, parks, markets, and libraries. We can participate in community events, help clean the environment, and support local people. Being active in community makes us better citizens.
Let's connect the topics. Pets and plants need our care. Hobbies bring joy. Community gives us belonging. All these things make life rich and meaningful.
Now, practice these sentences with us. Repeat after us slowly.
I love taking care of my pet dog.
Plants make my home beautiful.
My favorite hobby is playing sports.
I help in my community.
Pets and plants teach me responsibility.
A good community makes life better.
Wonderful. Keep repeating these sentences every day.
Friends, talking about pets, plants, hobbies, and community in English helps you express yourself better in real life.
We make these long videos so you have plenty of time to listen and practice.
Please support Quick English. Like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Share with your friends and family.
Tell us in the comments, do you have a pet? What is it? Do you have plants at home? What are your hobbies? How do you help your community?
We read your comments and create new episodes based on your ideas.
Thank you for watching this long episode until the end. You are a fantastic learner.
Take care of your pets and plants, enjoy your hobbies, contribute to your community, and keep practicing English.
See you in the next big episode. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.